Hello, family and friends and loyal subscribers to AAZ Slots. Here we are in front of All Aboard Piggy Pennies. So we need 6 or more trains and 3 silver coin triggers, the free game. So we'll see what we can do. We're celebrating our over 300 loyal subscribers to our channel. So let's go ahead and the grand jack pass at 15,000. Mega bonus at 1,000. We're at a 10 cents denom. Max bonus is 250, major 50, mini bonus is 30. So let's go ahead and let's try to hit it big and let's keep this party rolling. Look like the little piggies are wild. Got our money back. Come on, trains. So we got 2 of them. As they are. A lot of piggies. I got about $16 out of that hit. There we go. Come on, 2. It's on the road again. 2. Oh, we're missing 1. Well. And Mr. Banker and the Banks. A nice little hit. 38.50 on that one. Let's try to get the bonus and double our money since there's no red spins on this one. Let's see what we can do. Let's try to hit it big. Really want to trigger that all aboard feature. There's 3. Oh, there it was. There we go. Hey, we got it. We got all aboard feature. Oh, we got there. Let's go with 3 bidders remaining. We'll collect 15 and try to get the grand jackpot. Let's have some fun. That AAZ Slots. What I gotta do? Oh, hit the spin button. Hey, that's what I'm talking about. Hey, we got the mini bonus. All right, let's hit it more. We got 3 more. Come on, choo-choo. Oh, come on. Be nice to AAZ Slots. There we go. Thank you. How about the major? Major be good. All aboard. On our road again. There we go. Are we on the last bonus? Let's hit it. Let's hit it good. Well, we got a coin shower and fireworks everywhere. That's what we need to do is celebrate the 30 plus loyal subscribers to AAZ Slots. This is Armando. I'm here with my better half. And I know we had a couple people that wanted to come by, but they were unable to because of work or obligations, especially our one that we celebrated with on 100 subscribers, a big dog, Jeff. He was unable to help us out. But that's all right, you know, we're here and we welcome anybody else. So just come on by, say hello to AAZ Slots. We're here at the beautiful High Winds Casino in Miami, Oklahoma. So we did pretty good. So let's go ahead and do a couple backup spins. And let's do 1-5. And that should leave it at that. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up. And tell your family and friends, come join us. Our little family, soon to be a big family, hopefully a large family with AAZ Slots. All aboard Piggy Pennies was very nice for us. And even though I really wanted that grant, but thank you very much. And we'll see you soon, and let's keep on celebrating. Take care now.